In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your notebook using Google NotebookLM. Whether it's for collaboration with colleagues or sharing insightful data with friends, understanding how to efficiently share your notebooks is a valuable skill. First, you're going to want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to notebooklm.google.com. Here, you'll find a list of your notebooks. Go ahead and click on the notebook you wish to share. This will open up your workspace where you have all your notes and resources organized. Make sure this is the exact notebook you want others to see before proceeding to the next step. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see the Share button. Click on it. This button is your gateway to the sharing settings, where you can control how you broadcast your work to others. Sharing is a powerful feature because it allows others to see and build upon your work, making collaboration seamless. Once you're in the sharing settings, you'll need to set the access permission. Look for the option that says Anyone with a link and select it. This setting is particularly useful when you want a broad audience to access your notebook without needing to send individual invites. Additionally, for those of you with a premium subscription, you have a couple of further options to refine how your notebook is shared. You can choose between sharing it as chat only or the full notebook. If you select chat only, this will restrict viewers to just chat interactions and prevent them from engaging directly with the artifacts and sources you have included. This is particularly useful if you want your audience to focus on the discussion rather than the details of the content itself. It's all about giving you control over what viewers experience. After setting the appropriate access permissions, it's time to get the link you'll be sharing. Look for the generated link on the sharing settings page. You'll need to copy this link, and once you have it, you're ready to share. Remember, this link is golden as it carries the key to your notebook. You can distribute it to anyone with a Google account. A good practice is to send this link via secure methods like official emails or instant messaging apps to ensure it reaches the intended viewers. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to sharing your Google Notebook. Remember, effective sharing can significantly enhance collaboration and productivity, allowing ideas to flow and flourish across your professional or personal projects. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy sharing!